little less than 4 hours, and we are going to Milliken. We're going to our final resting stop, but we're gonna have to get gas. Probably at Klamath Falls, which is in Oregon. Never been to any of these places, so we're just rattling off names on maps.
Like we know what we're talking about.
Yeah. We're gonna go hit that Chevron at Klamath
We're going to Klamath Falls.
The one that sells the cold Gatorades.
Yep. And then we'll be there, and that will be our 10-hour driving day from Saratoga to Milliken/Bend, Oregon. And we're gonna have a good little time at our cabin in the middle of nowhere. See how it goes.
That's right.
Wish us luck. We have 4 hours left. I think Puppy's doing fine. Yep.
Puppy is fine. So, we're here. We made it.
Yeah, this is cool. We don't know where we are. We kind of know where we are. In between
Bend and
Milliken. It's out of nowhere.
Bend and Milliken,
Kinda
which is
in
pretty
the
much
middle of
like
nowhere. We don't have cell service. Let's just put it that way.
no
But-
internet, no cell phone.
But I like it. I like it a lot. We are off the grid, to say the least.
Off the grid. We got dogs here, and they're
Billy finally got
they're
the
now
dogs.
friends. This is Hugo.
Hi, Hugo.
Hugo saying hi, and there's
Billy
Billy.
took her to the
And Billy just jacked Hugo's stick,
Hugo,
and that's
is
why
that your
she's
stick?
so happy, and she's ripping it apart live.
Give him the stick. Give him the stick. It's his stick. He found it.
Give back to Hugo. And there she is, the Harmony of the Seas. Just kidding. That's the CX-5.
Hey, that's Black Betty.
Oh, Black Betty. Yeah, well, Black Betty almost didn't make it up that hill that you can see
Yeah, much better than your
right here.
pile of rust.
It's been a long day, guys.